Hello, welcome. Let's consider this question under the total surface area of a sphere. So a diameter of a sphere is 21 centimeter. We have to calculate each total surface area. Let's remember by recall what we learned about the total surface area. So total surface area is given as 4 pi r squared. Remember how we derive this? Where in this case we are in need of the r, but we are given diameter. So we know r is the diameter over 2, where in this case our diameter is 21. So 21 centimeter divided by 2 will give us the radius. Alright, we can use it raw since 2 is not a factor of 21. So fast forward, our total surface area will be 4 times pi. Let's use 22 out of 7 as the value of pi. Then times the radius, which we are having as 21 divided by 2, 2 of them. So another 21 divided by 2. So the radius is squared. So mean 21 divided by 2 will be multiply itself 2 times. So in this case, we know this can take care of this as 3, whereby these 2 will take care of this, remaining 2 and 2. So what am I left with? I am left with 22 times 3 times 21. So if you multiply that on your calculator, you'll be having 1,386. Don't forget centimeter times centimeter give you centimeter squared. So the total surface area of any sphere of a diameter 21 centimeter will be 1,386 centimeter squared. I guess you follow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.